Are you stressed out about the crack on your car or semi-truck's windshield obstructing your view? Well, you can relax because you found TJM Industries, Kennewick, Washington Mobile Auto Glass Replacement and Repair Service. We service all vehicles from passenger cars to semi-trucks and everything in between. Experience our convenient, time-saving, and budget-friendly professional mobile windshield replacement and repair services in Kennewick and the surrounding areas. What could be more convenient than an auto glass company coming to you to perform a repair or replacement of your vehicle's damaged windshield? No more taking time out of your busy schedule to take a trip to the auto glass shop and then waiting around for the repair or replacement to be made. Now you can relax in comfort at a time that is convenient for you while our technicians tend to your auto glass at your location. Just like Mr. Johnson, who said excellent service on my Peterbilt, fast, efficient, and quality work. 5 stars for sure. Act now. Dial 509-870-0026 to take advantage of our convenient mobile windshield replacement and repair services in the Kennewick, Washington area. Our number once again is 509-870-0026. Give us a call today. We have friendly operators standing by to assist you.